Find the derivative of sine 2x from the first principle. The most important 4 marks problem, guarantee 4 marks in public examination. So the question is, find the derivative of the function sine 2x from the first principle. Guarantee this type of model in the public examination. So first we take that given function is equals to f of x. F of x is equals to given function. What is the given function? Sine 2x. Now after that we take the value of f of x plus h. What is f of x plus h? Sine 2 into x plus h. F of x plus h means in place of x we substitute x plus h. That is f of x plus h is equals to sine 2 into x plus h, and this is equals to sine 2x plus 2h. So this is the value of f of x plus h. Now what is the given question? Find the derivative of the given function using first principle. So first we take the first principle formula. This is the first principle formula. F dash of x is equals to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x by h. The most important formula. For writing this formula you will get 1 mark in the public exam. So definitely we will write the formula here. For this formula we have 1 mark in the public examination. So this is the formula. Don't forget the formula. So f dash of x is equals to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x by h. Now substituting the values. By using this formula we have to find the derivative value. We have to find the f dash of x value. So substituting the values, limit h tends to 0 sine of what is f of x plus h, sine 2x plus 2h minus f of x. F of x is equals to sine 2x by h, and this is equals to h tends to 0. Now this is in the form of sine c minus sine d. What is the formula for sine c minus sine d? Sine c minus sine d is equals to trigonometry formula 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sine c minus d by 2. So this is the formula of sine c minus sine d. Now applying this formula here, what are c comma d? C is equals to 2x plus 2h and d is equal to 2x. Now applying that formula here, 2 cos sine c minus sine d, 2 cos c plus d by 2, 2 cos c plus d, 2x plus 2h plus 2x by 2 into sine c minus d, 2x plus 2h minus 2x by 2. Now this is equals to whole by h. Now here 2x and 2x gets cancelled. Now writing the remaining values, limit h tends to 0, 2 cos 2x plus 2x, 4x plus 2h by 2 into sine 2h by 2 whole by h. Now we separate the limit value. Limit h tends to 0. First we take this value 2 cos 4x plus 2h by 2 into sine 2h by 2, which becomes sine h. Sine h by h, that is we take the denominator to this part only. First part into second part with denominator. Now separating the limit value. So this is equals to limit h tends to 0, 2 cos 4x plus 2h by 2 into limit h tends to 0, second value sine h by h, and this is equals to. Now substituting the limit value in the first term, and what is the formula for this one? Already we know that the formula limit x tends to 0 sine x by x is equals to 1, which we have learned in the limits and continuity chapter. So the formula is limit x tends to 0 sine x by x is equal to 1. So what is this answer now? Limit h tends to 0 sine h by h, which is clearly in this form. So this value is also equals to 1. That is 2 cos. Now substituting h is equal to 0 here. Then what we get? 4x plus 0 by 2. into, what is this answer? Limit h tends to sin h by h is equals to 1 by using this formula. So this is equals to 2 cos 4x by 2 into 1, that is 2 cos 4x by 2. It is cancelled by 2 times. So answer is equal to 2 cos 2x. Therefore f dash of x is equal to, that is derivative of sin 2x is equals to 2 cos 2x. This is the answer. So derivative is equal to f dash of x is equal to 2 cos 2x. So this is the answer obtained by applying the first principle. Now we find the derivative by using the formula also here. What is the given question? Sin 2x derivative. What is sin 2x derivative? Sin x is equal to cos x. That is sin 2x derivative is equal to cos 2x. Again 2x derivative is equal to 2. That is answer is equal to 2 cos 2x. Here also we get same answer. When we apply the formula or we take the derivative directly, we can get the same answer. 2 cos 2x, 2 cos 2x. That's all. This is the answer. The very important 4 marks problem. Next problem. Find the derivative of cos ax from the first principle. This is also the very important sum for 4 marks. Same procedure. First we take that given function is equals to f of x. That is f of x is equals to cos ax. Then what is f of x plus h value? F of x plus h means we take x is equal to x plus h. X is equal to x plus h in the given function. So that is equals to cos of ax plus ah. So this is the value of f of x plus h. Now what is the given question? Find the derivative using first principle. So first we take the first principle formula. What is the formula? Limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x by h. In this formula we have to substitute the values, that is f dash of x is equals to limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h is equals to cos ax plus ah minus f of x is equals to cos ax whole by h, and this is equals to limit h tends to 0 cos c minus cos t. This is in the form of cos c minus cos t, and the formula for cos c minus cos t is cos c minus cos t is equal to minus 2 sin c plus t by 2 minus 2 sin c plus t by 2 into c minus t by 2. So this is the formula of the cos c minus cos t. Now applying that formula here. So this is minus 2 sin c plus t by 2 ax plus ah plus ax by 2 into sin c minus t by 2, that is ax plus ah minus ax by 2, c plus t by 2, c minus t by 2. Now here ax minus ax gets cancelled. This is equals to limit h tends to 0 minus 2 sin ax plus ax, 2ax plus ah by 2, ax plus ax, 2ax plus ah by 2 into sin remaining value here ah by 2 whole by h whole by h, sin ah by 2 whole by h, and this is equals to limit h tends to 0 minus 2 sin 2ax plus ah by 2 into, now we separate the terms here, first term into second term by denominator. We write the denominator to second term only, sin ah by 2 by h. Now separating the limit values, limit h tends to 0 minus 2 sin 2ax plus ah by 2 into limit h tends to 0 sin ah by 2 by h. And what is the formula for finding this answer? Answer of the second part, limit h tends to 0 sin ax by x is equals to a. Limit x tends to 0 sin ax by x is equals to a. Now what is this answer? Limit h tends to 0 sin, this is a by 2 into h. A by 2 into h by h is equals to, in place of a here we have that a by 2. So answer is equals to a by 2. That is limit h tends to 0 sin a by 2 into h by h is equals to answer a by 2 by applying this formula. So this is equals to minus 2 into replacing h is equal to 0 here sin 2ax plus 0 by 2 into this total part answer is equals to a by 2. Now here cut this number 2. So this is equals to minus sin 2ax by 2 into a, that is equal to minus a sin ax. So this is the derivative of the given function, that is f dash of x is equals to minus a sin ax. That's all. This is the answer. Now finding the derivative by direct method. What is the given question here? Cos ax. Cos ax whole dash is equals to cos x derivative minus sin x. That is cos ax derivative minus sin ax. Again the derivative of ax. Again we take the derivative of ax. What is ax derivative? A. So answer is equals to minus a sin ax. Minus a sin ax. So this is the direct method to check the answer. This is the procedure of applying formula. This is the first principle. In both of the cases we get the same answer. That's all. This is the answer.